Hey guys, so Google just announced that they have made an app for Windows 10 users to download and for Mac users to download Google Drive on their desktop, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it in this video. So the first thing you need to do is type in this link in your search bar. So I'll put this link in the description. Just copy it and paste it. Do not just try searching for how to download Google Drive on the internet, because that won't work. It will take you through many different ways to download it, and those are outdated and some of them are not even working now. So this is the official way. Just use this link, copy and paste it, and you'll get this. So you'll see that it says get started with Google Drive for desktop, install and set up Google Drive. So don't click any of these, just go down and you will see this, use Drive for desktop with work or school. Right click it and click open in a new tab, and then once it opens in a new tab, you'll be greeted with this. And now I have already downloaded this for my PC, but for you it will look with two icons saying download for PC, download for Mac. So if it's not there, it should be somewhere below here. So what you should do is click download for PC or Mac, depending on which device you have, and it will start downloading in the downloads folder. So once it does download, go back to your file explorer, go to downloads and double click on that file. Then once you open it, it will run through the installation process and install as an app in your PC. So hit the start button and scroll all the way down to Google Drive, or it might be there in your recently added list, and click on it. So the first time you open this, it will appear in as a window telling you about asking you to sign into your account and stuff, but since I've already done that, it won't. So once you have done all of those, a small icon will appear in your system tray for Google Drive, which is how to wait for it to load. And as you can see, it's loading right here with the Google Drive icon, and it will open up a small window on the right side, just like on Chromebooks. So once it is installed, you click this cut it. So once it has been installed and once you have opened the app, just click on the system tray right here and select the Google Drive icon. So here you can see your activity where they'll tell that your files are up to date. Then you have your notifications, where you can see that Google Drive is running, those type of stuff. If you click settings, you have options for your preferences, to pause syncing, to quit the app. And if you click in this icon, you'll see it actually opens up a new drive called H. So if I go to this PC, you can see that I have Google Drive as H right here, and I get all of my files right inside Google Drive. So that is how to install and run Google Drive. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.